Now we come to another question type which is called inference making. So inference making is from the given information in the argument to deduce or draw out the right answer. So it should not be from outside the argument. The information should not be from outside the argument. So let us see an example of this. Two professors in a college teach the same subject. Yet John attends only the lady professor's class. What can be inferred from this? What can we know about John or about the professors from this information? One, can we infer that John likes ladies, that's why he is attending only the ladies' class? Nowhere does it suggest that. That's outside the scope of the argument. John likes the lady professor's teaching could be the classroom of the lady professor is better lit. This is irrelevant. The male professor is absent most time. This could be an answer. The lady professor is a better teacher. Okay. So now we have a split of 3-2. Can we say that John likes the lady professor's teaching? Wouldn't that be a little bit subjective? So it is his liking that is deciding, not the objective fact of the quality of the teaching. So this goes out. This is not at all relevant. The male professor is absent most times, in which case no one will attend his class. So that means he is not only available. So how does that affect his choice? If he is not there only, if both are there, still he is attending the ladies' class. What does that mean? That means that the lady professor is a better teacher. So if he is not only there, how can you attend his class more than that of the lady professor? So it is irrelevant. So the answer for this, from this we can infer why he attends only her class, because the lady professor is a better teacher. Okay, so we have studied inference making also. Now the next question for today, actually the last question for today, is the bolded statement question, which is a very rare question type in which you will be given a paragraph, the argument, in which either one or two sentences is in bold format. You have to explain the function of that bold statement. Okay, bolded statement, and this is a very rare question type, so I won't waste a lot of time on this. So now we are left with only weakness of law and strengthen or support. Okay, so these two need a detailed discussion because they are the backbone of reasoning and they are necessary for GRE students also, as I said, indirectly, because they have to write an essay on the weaknesses in an argument, and though they do not have MCQ questions directly on these topics. Okay, so that's all for now, and our next module will be discussing the common fallacies or flaws or faults of reasoning which form the basis of answering questions for weakness or flaw, weaken the argument, and strengthen or support the argument. Thank you.